So what's up, Candy? It's your girl, Cameron. I'm back here with another banger. So today, I'm just gonna be doing a little prep to my hair for tomorrow, cause tomorrow I'm gonna hit y'all with a get ready with me, and I may vlog. It depends. I'm probably not gonna vlog, but yeah, my best friend's birthday dinner is tomorrow. So yeah, I'm just about to get together a little get ready with me, but I'm prepping my hair tonight. So yeah, I came on here so that y'all be able to see that part of me prepping my hair. So the products I use for my hair are gonna be a wax stick, a hot comb. I also use water, leave-in conditioner, and mousse. That is all that I use pretty much for my curly hair. So that's what y'all will see me going in. Without the green bottle is the water. The thing that I put in my hair right now is leave-in conditioner. So yeah. Okay, guys. So now that I finished laying my baby hairs, you know how I want to make sure there's no hairs out of place. I'm gonna go ahead and put my wrap back on. I'm gonna secure this wrap really tight tonight because I want my hair to be perfect. Now I tie mine first, then I move it over from my ear. I have a bunch of ear piercings, so it hurts for this to be on my ear like that. Because things getting stuck on it. So guys, I cropped out this entire part because it was just a fail. I couldn't get the earring that's already in my triggers out, so I couldn't even change them out to the new one. So I cut this part very short because it was a waste and all the time was just me trying to put the earring in. Alright guys, so I record when I'm getting ready tomorrow because that's it for tonight. I'm probably gonna start getting ready around like 1 o'clock tomorrow because the dinner is for 5, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, I can show you what I'm wearing to the dinner. Um, this dress with this jean jacket off the shoulder and some heels. My mom ordered me a dress, but it did not come in on time. So I had to find something else to wear and settle for what I have. So yeah. Okay guys, so it's the next day and it's about 10:30, but I have to run to the beauty supply and get a few things. So I'll be back to y'all when I come back from the beauty supply and I'm gonna show y'all what I got. and probably gonna finish packing my clothes and stuff in my bag, get that together, and probably after I do all that, it's gonna be time for me to start getting ready. So, okay, guys, I'm now back from you know, now back from the beauty store. I'm sorry, the hair store. Let me just set the phone up the best I can to show y'all what I bought. So I bought some press-on nails because I don't have my nails done and I don't have time to go get them done. So I bought some white and clear top coat so I could polish my toes. And I bought this nose ring. So I gotta figure out how you open it because it's like I'm gonna figure it out. But yeah, that's all I got. So now I'm about to start doing my toes and my nails. So I'll come to y'all when I'm done. Okay, guys. So the nails are like this. I'm about to polish them white. Let them dry through the top coat, and then I'm gonna start my makeup. So yeah, I'm gonna come to y'all when I start my makeup. So okay, guys. So I basically finished my nails. Just something simple with a little white or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my hands once this hand finished drying. I'm gonna wash my hands because y'all know painting with your left hand when you're right-handed is terrible. So I'm gonna wash my hands all around my cuticles, and then we're gonna get started with this makeup. Do y'all see my face? But yeah, we're gonna get that together. I'm gonna also use my skin evening toner before I wash my hands. So yeah. Okay, guys. So before I start my makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and pack my bag up real quick. Yeah, then we're gonna just get started. So also I'm gonna be listening to music, so I'm gonna put the video in fast motion or in a time lapse because I don't wanna get copyright. Yeah, this is the face my face looks like right now. I noticed that the camera's kind of messing it up, but yeah, I have this highlight, a few other things, and then I'm done. So yeah, I'm continuing letting y'all watch. Yo. Oh, okay. Stop playing with me. Get into the glow. Oh, stop playing with me. Period. Okay? Alright, y'all. So I'm about to tackle this hair and see how I end up wearing it. So guys, this is my final look. I even look like myself right now. I'm gonna dress and then end the vlog. I mean, to get ready with me. This has been an all day affair. Really contemplating putting these in right now. I'm scared, y'all, because if I don't like them, I gotta sit here and take it out, and I don't want to mess my makeup and take it out. Yeah. No, I'm not gonna put them in. I should have put them in earlier if I was gonna put them in. So, yeah, I'll put them in on Christmas, I guess. But, yeah, when I end up getting dressed, then I'll come to y'all. Okay, guys, I am dressed. Yeah, I'm gonna have to insert pictures and stuff because I'm kind of running late. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.